When mechanical engineering students think of learning an advanced 3D design software, one of the first name usually comes in our mind is CATIA. CATIA is widely used for complex product design, automotive components, assemblies, and advanced surface modeling. But when you visit Dassault Systèmes student website, you will find two different packages. By the way, here we can see there are three, but the first one is SolidWorks. And in this video, actually, I am going to talk about CATIA only, because there is a lot of confusion there. I mean, when we talk about the previous version, V5, it was a simple offline version. But in case of V6, it comes in a bundle. The first one is known as 3D Experience CATIA, and the second one here we can see it is 3D Experience Engineer. And before I show you, how you can get 50% discount on this dirt cheap price, let's figure it out which version is best for you. So which one you should buy? Let's talk about 3D Experience CATIA for student first. Well, this particular package is designed for students who mainly want to learn advanced mechanical CAD and product design. You get both browser-based application and native desktop application, which is really nice. As you can see here, you can create items on cloud, or you can also switch to desktop. The browser-based tools include application for CATIA CAD design, freeform modeling, generative modeling, drawing, project management, and data management. Dassault highlight applications like X 3D design, X generative design, X drawing, shape design. Not only that, you're also gonna get assembly design, generative wireframe, and surface. Not only that, you also gonna get online learning content, 3 certification, and access to student community. Now let's talk about what is different about this 3D Experience Engineer for students. Well, this particular package comes with structural simulation capability. You're also going to see broader DELMIA tools, which is like NC capability comes inside CATIA. So in a way, this package is more advanced, and the price increase kind of shows that as well. So here we can also see breakdown in very crystal clear way, as I was mentioning. So you're gonna see one additional online certification. By the way, coming to certification, I forgot to mention about, you're going to see the simulation capability with this package. However, you will not get that in this 3D Experience CATIA for students. So if your main objective is to learning advanced CATIA modeling, then probably the best choice for you is to have 3D Experience CATIA. But if you want to have the complete package, which not only include the product design, but product validation as well as manufacturing portion, then for those students, 3D Experience Engineer makes sense. Now let's talk about the discount part, alright? For example, let's buy the following one. Now here, since I am from India, it's going to show me the price in my currency. I think the best time to avail the discount is Cyber Week, but unfortunately we are right now not in Cyber Week. It would be probably in December, or you can check out in internet. That time you may get discount up to 80%. But right now also you can get 50% of discount by entering the following code, which is back to engineer. And if you hit apply, you can see here the price reduced significantly to half. Now if I click here on proceed to checkout, and then here you need to create your account, which is straightforward. After you create your account, simply log in. After that, you simply need to click on proceed to checkout and then make the payment. But before you purchase, there are 2 important conditions. First, these packages are only available to students which are currently enrolled in academic institution. They cannot be used directly or indirectly for industrial, commercial, or business purposes. Students which are enrolled in professional trainings, like for example, somebody is doing some kind of vocational training for 6 months, those students are also not eligible. So these are the things that you need to make sure. And of course, one more important thing that in order to run this, you need to have Windows computer. If you are using Mac OS or even thinking of running CATIA in virtual machine using VMware Fusion or parallel desktop, well, this will not work. So please make sure that we are complying to all these conditions before we make this purchase. Let me know in the comment which package you are planning to choose and what do you like me to test next on 3D Experience platform. Also, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and I will see you with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.